I'm going to show you a way how to make free PayPal money, $10, $20 per hour, every single day, all day. And if you stick to the end of the video, I'm going to show you how you don't even have to do anything to get that. How you can get someone else to do it for you. Only right here. I'm the infamous Joel. Let's go. Now, before we get started here, obviously, if you're new to the channel, you want to 100% hit that subscribe button, because right here on this channel, I show you how to live a life of freedom, passion, fulfillment by making money online. All different types of ways of making money online so that you can quit your job, slap your boss in the face, and walk down the street all super happy. All right, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and 1000% hit that like button, because you guys just don't hit the like button. Like, you got to give back, man. You can't just watch videos and not give back. We're creators. We like to give you the scoop, give you the free stuff, give you all the ways to make money online. All we want in return is for you to smash that like button. It's a beautiful, wonderful thing. It's a synergetic relationship, but make sure you do that, please, please, please. I would love it. I would give you a kudos and a heads up and a comment and a reply and a heart and everything in the comment section. Give me a comment down below, tell me you smashed that like button, and I would love you for it. Now let's get into the video. Let's get into these steps, how to make free PayPal money every single day, all day. If you haven't made money yet, good lord, then you need to go through all the videos on my channel, because I show you so many ways of making money online completely for free, completely from scratch. I don't know what you're doing wrong. I have no idea. That's kind of crazy. But so here we go. Step number one, you're going to need a Facebook account. And guess what a Facebook account is? A Facebook account is free. So that takes away 99% of your excuses right there, right? It's completely free. Most of you have a Facebook account already, so there you go. You don't need an ad account, you just need a Facebook account. Your own personal account works just fine. That's it. So that's step one. Step two, I want you to come over to this website right here. It's called instagc.com. That's instagc.com, and you can sign in a million different ways. You can use Facebook, you can use Twitter, you can use Google, or you can just put in your own username, password, all that other good stuff, email address here. Okay, so there's a lot of different ways you can sign up. Just make sure you sign up right here at instagc.com. I'm going to show you how to get free PayPal money, $7, $10, $15, $20, depending on how much work you want to put in. And then if you stick to the end of the video, you don't even want to do the work. You don't want to, you're telling me, infamous Joel, I don't want to sit there behind my computer or on my phone all day long doing this stuff. How do I just get someone else to do it for me and I just take the profit? Well, hey, I'm going to show you how to do that if you stay to the end of the video. It's my super secret sauce. A lot of these big gurus and marketers online that show you all these income screenshots and tell you how much money they're making, they don't tell you the whole story. But here on the infamous Joel channel, I tell you the whole story. I don't let any secrets behind closed doors. I show you everything. All right, so as you can see here, as I previously stated, you got to sign up, you got to create an account. So I've created an account here, and you can see that I just have to confirm my email address, as most of the time you do. So I'm going to go over to my email, and I'm going to show you my email because I don't want anybody flooding my inbox with questions, comments, and concerns. Please do that down in the comment section. I always make sure I get to your guys' comments and answer all your questions. Don't flood my inbox, okay? Okay, so now that I have confirmed my email address, let's take a look at the website, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works. I'm going to show you how to make money every single day, all day, and I'm going to show you how to, eventually I'm going to show you how to actually take your foot off the gas pedal, and you don't even have to do anything to make this money. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do that too, but let's stick to this. Let's stick to how this works. You can see everything here. Here's the chat. This is all the different people who've signed up to an account, so you can see this is not a scam. This is not some fly-by-night cockapoo-poo. Okay, this is actual people commenting and writing about their experience and talking about how much they've made so far and what they're doing. You can see it's a whole community, and you can see right here down at the bottom, this ticker, you can see people actually earning points in real time, and this is being refreshed all the time. You see people completing tasks, earning points, and it's super, super easy, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it and how to get the best out of it in just a minute. But the first thing you want to do is you want to come up here to this green bar where it says set a goal, and that's exactly what you want to do. You want to set a goal. So I want to ask you, me and you, let's sit down and talk. What's your goal? Most of you have a 9-to-5. You're sick of it. You can't stand it. You want to get out of it. Then what's your goal? How much would it take for you to get out of that situation. I'm gonna put just centered amount. How do you want to get out of that? So do you want to make $1 a day? How much do you want to make? Do you want to make $100 a day? $100 a day. Maybe you need $200 a day to quit your job. Maybe you need $300 a day to quit your job. How much do you need? Let's put $200 a day here just as an example. That's about even. That's about what most people probably need to quit their job, right? Okay, cool. So we'll put $200 a day and we'll make that our goal. The goal has been set. As you can see here, our goal is staring back at us right in front of our face as soon as we log in and we say, man, I need to make $200 a day on this site. And that's it. I can quit my job. I can retire. I can live a life of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And I can follow the infamous Joel all day long. I can just watch all his videos because he's the man. All right. So $200 a day, and it tells you exactly how many points you need, because you might have been asking, well, how many points do I need to make that much money every day? Well, right there it tells you 19,990 points. Okay. And you're probably asking, well, doing these different tasks, how many points do I get? They're all different. They're all different. So obviously, if you want to make the most points and get to your goal faster, do the tasks that offer you the most points. Let's look at this Hideout TV. Okay, let's take a look at this. And we can sit here and we can see that all they want you to do is watch some of these videos and they give you points. So we'll click through, we'll do start earning, click the start earning, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so they want me to turn off my ad blocker, which I always have on, but I'm going to turn it off for the purposes of this video. Let's refresh this. I turned off my ad blocker there, buddy. Hold on. Let's see. I turned off my ad blocker again. Okay. Start earning. Let's see if it works. Okay, now it's working. And what you want to do is you absolutely want to turn off. You want to turn off the sound. You want to mute it so that, hey, I don't want to hear this thing. I could just go over to another tab and I can do some other task. You don't actually have to watch it, okay? You don't actually have to do it. So while that's playing, I'm just going to earn some points, and that's going on. And you can see how easy this is. You can pretty much go back here. I'm just going to X that out. So you can go back here. You can watch that video or not. You just leave it on and go to the bathroom or something. But you know, as you go through here, you finish that task. Now you watch the next video, and the next video, and the next video, and they give you so many points, right? So you're saying to yourself, oh, that's a lot of work. Number one, that's a lot of work. I don't really want to do that. Can you show me another way to make passive income online so that I can quit my job? I can quit my 9-to-5. I can stay home with my kids. I can travel more. All the bills will be paid. I can get all this stress off me. I want to be more like you, infamous Joel. I want to be more like you, where I just, you know, help people, teach people stuff, and I just make money that way passively, and I don't have a typical 9-to-5. I want that life. I want that. I just want to be a regular guy, not have a bunch of Lamborghinis and stuff. It's not really my thing, but I just want to do that. I just want to be lazy and sit around and have passive income. How do I do that, infamous Joel? Well, good thing you asked, because down in the description below, I have my entire course on how I personally make passive income online. I show you click by click, shot by shot, screen by screen, lesson by lesson. It's all mapped out for you. It's down in the description below. That's my official course, and it shows you every single thing I do, everything I've been doing for the last 3 years to make 6 figures online completely passively. But let's get back into this video. I had to do that quick pitch for you right there. So here's that trick that I was telling you about. How do I, this is a lot of work, right? And you're thinking, well, I just want the money. I don't want to do all this watching videos and all this stuff. I got you. As I always do, I got you. So what you want to do is you want to come on over here to Fiverr.com. That's five with 2 R's. Okay, Fiverr. Okay, you want to come over here and you want to start typing into this search bar here. You want to start typing in virtual. Right, and it's going to give you this drop down. It's going to tell you virtual assistant. So let's see if we can hire a virtual assistant. You're going to need about $5-10, something like that. You don't, this doesn't cost you an arm and a leg. Okay, it's a beautiful, beautiful thing. And you can see down here, these are people that are from other countries. They're from the Philippines, they're from Malaysia, you name it, but they're really smart people. Okay, they're not, you know, They're not just a third world country and they're, you know, sitting in a bunker somewhere and they don't know anything. These are highly educated, really smart people. But because of the exchange rate, because of, you know, $5 US, $10 US being a lot in their country, you're actually really supporting them and helping them, you know, really have a good life for themselves and their family, which I love it. I love hiring people from overseas because they're really smart, they're really skilled, and, you know, you're helping someone who's really in need and helping someone who's taking care of their family and everything. And it's awesome. It's a beautiful thing. So that being said, that's off the topic. But that being said, you can see here, I will be your professional virtual assistant for data entry, web research. I can't talk. Web research, etc., etc. I will be your ideal virtual assistant, blah, blah, blah. And they tell you exactly what they'll do for you. This guy's charging $50. Absolutely not. But I will be devoted an administrative virtual assistant. Here's a good person, $5. So what you do is, let's say I wanted to hire Solve 2 Tech. Let's say I wanted to hire this guy. And I tell him, hey, Solve 2 Tech, my daily goal is $200 a day. So do not stop working on this website, watching videos, getting points, completing tasks, doing all this stuff, getting rewards, surveys, whatever. Don't stop until you hit $200 every single day. And you can see here, you can get paid in Bitcoin, direct deposit, or our beautiful, wonderful PayPal that we really want, right? You can do direct deposit, but let's do PayPal for the purposes of this video, because I told you, you can make $10, $7, $10, $15, $20 a day PayPal money every single day. And this is how you do it. This is actually how a lot of the online marketers and YouTubers and people you see have these big giant screenshots, and they're like, look how much money I've made, and you're thinking to yourself, how do they have time to do all that stuff if they're also doing, you know, drop shipping and all these other different online businesses? How do they have time to do all these other things, like come to this website and make, you know, $1,000 a day, whatever? This is it. They outsource it. They get someone else to do it for less cost, right? For less the price. They just pay them $5, maybe $5 an hour or something. That's okay, 8 hours. Let's say it takes them 8 hours to do the $200. That's $40, right? You paid someone $40 to do this all day long, and you've made back $200. So that's a profit. Blah, 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 blah. Let's see. I'm not a human calculator here. It's $160, right? Which is not bad. You're not going to be like a bajillionaire, millionaire, killionaire. But what you are going to be is one step closer to quitting your job and doing online make money stuff full time. And hopefully you remember your guy Infamous Joel, because you'll click down in the description below, take my course, and then really take off, right? That's where you'll really start making the big bucks. But this will at least take you out of that job and take you out, you know, just keep you home. You need to be with your kids. COVID has been hell on earth, and you need to be with your kids, be with your family, and just stop doing the whole, you know, punch a clock stuff. You don't need to do it anymore. You watch this channel and you know that I advocate against that stuff. No one needs to do it. This is the online age, the information world, and everyone can make money from home. It's all super simple. Make sure you watch the rest of the videos on this channel. I got a playlist right here. I'm the Infamous Joel, and I'm out.